Hello everyone, Samuel here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video about weekly recaps. Let's get started. Week ended yesterday. Today is 10:55, 11 a.m. Saturday morning. So week started on the 2nd of December, Monday. And here it is, pound Newsy, 7-minute, beautiful entry, right, after the news. And it went down. Pound Aussie went down as well. You can see that, right? And it's on second as well. And the entries are here with SL move to plus, break even plus, right? You can always see the entry here, where the entry is. Now second, again, this entry is here, 2nd December, pound Newsy, all pound pip went down. So pound Newsy again here, 55 pip. And on the third, this one basically that's a continuation, right? So I was expecting this area to hit the target. The sell was there, so and continue on the third. And you can see Euro Aussie, it is the target was this. Okay, so I had a couple of charts here, but I just disregarded them when it was here. So the target was 61.38, but since the daily range was about to be, ending, I closed the trade before the target. But it's still 90 pips, right? On the third, again, rising pound CAD. See this pound CAD, and I will tell you why I took all these long in pound CAD, okay, later on. I mean, at the end of the video. So beautiful long, 110 pip, pound CAD. Now pound USD went up as well, and I was expecting all of these, both of these trades in my weekly chart. So beautiful entry right off of 23% line. Okay, now USD yen, because of USD weakness, it went down. So usually I don't trade this pair, but so what the heck, beautiful setup, right? Okay, on the fourth, again, this one, pound USD continuation. That was the first trade there. The second one continued to the upside. Fourth again, this is pound Aussie. Pound strength coming up now, so everything going up now, right? So this is from 20-minute chart. My entry is there, and 120 pip from there to there. On the fourth again, pound Newsy, before it was coming down, and then boom to the upside, right? And 140 pip. Why? The reason is that I held this for 140 is because of the daily range. It's very important. This is what I teach in my webinar, that you cannot do this on Euro USD, because the Euro USD daily range is 55 pip, right? So there's no way, like USD CAD is 41 pip. They move only that much in a whole day. This pair move 180. See here, 159, 160 pip. This is on the fourth, but the average on Friday was 180 pip. So in one day, this pair moved this much. So squeezing this pair for 140 pip is not a problem, because you know that it moves, right? So you hold on to it. When you make an entry, you just hold on to it, because it average on a daily basis, it moves 160 pip, right? But Euro USD, you cannot hold like that, right? So it's very important to know each pair, how much they move, when they move, and how much they move. Okay, you cannot trade all the pairs the same way. Okay, so pound CAD again. So the first entry was there. The second was from the 20-minute chart. On the fourth, see 100 pip straight up. This is also, it has on like 120, 122 or something daily range. Pound Aussie again, a small one. It actually, this is it's a continuation there. It went up, so I'm gonna show you later on. Pound yen. This is the only one, but yes, I finally caught it. I was keep missing it. All these beautiful entries I missed, but finally I caught one. 70 pip here on the fifth. Pound USD going again. You saw it already earlier, and then it dips a little bit in the in the slow time it retraces. In the volume time it goes up again. Okay, this is how the game is. You just need to understand the whole game. This is USD CAD to the downside because of the USD weakness. That's pound Newsy again, little bit small trade from the 20-minute chart. Beautiful entry, and this one I just showed you earlier. That was the trade. Then I wait for the retracement. I took this one as well, right? It went up, it came down and knocked me out, and no loss here at all, and break even. and then this one goes, and then it goes up all the way. And on the 5th, pound Aussie again. So this is the one that I was talking about, that it was here when I first recorded the chart, but then I held it. Why? Because of the daily range. It's just a small move, and I was expecting more. So even though this was a very dangerous area, but you know what, it broke it and then went up. So got a little bit of there. And this is it. So almost like 17, 18 trades last week. Big week, right? And let me show you why these pound pairs I was taking long, because some of the charts I'm going to show you a few, not all of them, but you see this one I made. See pound CAD, I was expecting that it's going to go up here into this area, right? So what do? I'll take long setups, right? Which I did, and finally this pair went up, and look where this is, where it is on Friday, yesterday, right? So that's how you make all of these pips. The other pair was, for example, this pound yen, right? So I was expecting that it's going to go up here, the TL and the 78%, right? So what am I going to do? I'll take the long entries, right? Just go long. And then look, this is the pair. It's standing right now where? Here. See, it even hit the TL and then pulling back again already. And then this is, I'm expecting that it's probably going to drop here. Maybe not because of the Brexit and all that, but more chances are I'm expecting, and I'm ready. If they're going to drop, I know what the hell is happening, and I know where to go and what to do. All right, so this is how it is. So this is it for now. Today is Saturday, right? So if you want to join, go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com. Subscribe and get the system, get the charts, get them ready, and start trading like this. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.